The rules are simple. We have 2 fishermen, one equipped with a spinning rod, the other equipped with a fly rod, and we're going to see who can catch the most fish in an hour's time. Got a bunch of little bites on this thing. I'm just throwing a standard little yellow and brown Joe's fly. Has yet to fail me. I know brown trout, because brown trout really like this fly. Ooh, had a big old bluegill chase up after it a little bit. Gonna move downstream here a little bit. I'm out here with my buddy Jake up there. He has the fly rod in this challenge. Ooh, that drag is super loose.
I'm fishing with a Cortland Fairplay rod, cork handle. I think it's handmade, not exactly sure. Cheapo Echo reel. Grandfather built this rod. I guess it's probably wrong to say he built this rod, because he didn't like spin the rod and tie the eyelets and everything. He just assembled it, I guess. But I have a couple that my dad actually built. 8 foot 5 weight. Probably don't have 5 weight line on it. I think I got a 4X leader on there with some, let me see here, I don't even know. I should. Can't find my stuff. There it is. It's a 6X tippet, all cheapo stuff. And that's something that it's a big misconception when it comes to fly fishing, and I guess fishing in general, is you can go pretty cheapo. You don't have to get the whole $1,000 deal. You don't got to go buy a nice LL Bean fly rod and nice reels and stuff. I'd buy like, I wouldn't say expensive flies. I just go to Cabela's and buy flies. I don't know if they're the best, you know. I'm not buying them right from Umpqua. But, yeah, I got cheap waders on, got a cheap bag, got a cheap fly box, got a cheap everything. And I do pretty dang good, I would say. Not today, specifically, but he can attest. I've whipped his ass a couple times.
I'm just using the standard Quantum, little extra light, ultra light spinning combo with that Joe's fly that I mentioned earlier. Just gonna move it on down the line here. Try to throw across into that deeper water. Just bring it across, see if anything is feeling flashy today. Now this spot usually is pretty good fish-wise. So hopefully we can get some action relatively soon here. Did have 2 solid bites earlier.
My whole setup, everything that I'm using right now, probably does not break $1,000. So, I don't know about the rod. I don't know how much that cost, but reel I think was like 40 bucks. Forgive me if everything's out of frame. Never done this before. But here's my fly box. I don't know. Again, I don't know if that's in frame, but I'm gonna switch to this. Whoa! Don't drop it in the creek. To this peacock hurl. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it's got some hurl in there. I wasn't paying attention. Is that the only one you got so far? I don't got anything yet. Alright, Lucas got his first fish. I'm still on big fat silly goose egg. Might be fishing too far. Yeah, see, there's a hit there. I keep fishing way on the outside of this ripple. Maybe I should just run it through the middle. Oh yeah, first fish, and it's a, what is it? Tiny fall fish. You'll be alright, don't worry. Oh, nice fish. Big old red breast. Hit me like a truck. And he came off.
Okay, y'all, we are back in the challenge. I caught 2 fish. I don't know if y'all saw both of those because my phone did have some technical difficulties. And it looks like Jake is on his 2nd fish right now down there with the fly rod. So we're going to get right back into this. Did have some technical difficulties. Ooh, with my phone. We just had a big bite right there. So hopefully we can get that fish again for the remainder of this video. There we go. Number 5 for the spinning rod. There we go. Fish number 5 for the spinning rod. Off he goes.
You know what? If a size 10 peacock or a woolly bugger comes by me, dude, I'm gonna eat it.
I think we got fish number 6 hooked up right now for the spinning rod. And he unhooked himself. What a nice guy. We got fish number 6 for the spinning rod right here. Nice little smallmouth bass. Back in the water he goes. Fish number 6 for the old spinning combo. Fly rod is on fish number 3, I believe.
Oh yeah, baby. What is that? Oh, it's a smallie. I thought it was a white bass for a second. Number 3, baby. Got released on video.
Try to get this spinning. Oh, there we go. Fish. What is that? What number is this? Number 7 or number 8?
6 or 7. I was thinking 6.
You were thinking 6. Oh, I'm thinking 7.
Big rock.
That is a big rock bass. Sizable little rock bass right there. But I have a massive wind knot in my reel. That's what we don't like to see because my return spring is broken on this rod. Let's see if we can't get this guy unhooked. Well, you saw it. Had the rock bass in the net. Now we have a knot in our reel. We're gonna have to situate. Looks like the fly rod hooks up with fish number 4.
There ought to be a disclaimer that says I have caught 10 times as many fish on a fly rod than a spinning rod in here. Oh yeah, I forgot I was gonna put a hopper on. Whoa! And not fall over. Alright. First time using one of these. Usually I use the Grand hopper. This is a Moorish hopper.
Don't be encroaching on my spot now.
Oh, is that a pumpkin seed? Let's see here.
Oh, there we go.
No, it's just a funky looking bluegill.
Number 8. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's just a funky looking bluegill.
Number 8. Nice little red breast sunfish for the spinning combo. And he unhooked himself again. There we go. Nice little red breast in the net. Off that guy goes. And we're moving on. Yeet. And that great blue heron is not happy. And we are snagged. There we go. I'm unsnagged now. I'm gonna catch a fish off of that snag. Oh, that was a big red breast. Oh, he got that big red breast. Number 5 for the fly rod. I'm just gonna slow roll this a little bit.
Ooh, I did get him. I didn't think I did. Another beautiful red breast. Number 6, closing in. Oh, that's a beautiful one. This is like the exact one I would like to get mounted. This size, this color. No! 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 I wanted to get a good shot of him.
And I've yet again another knot. This knot's causing problems. Now's your chance to catch up. I'm undoing this knot.
Oh yeah, what a good take. Clean out of the water. Alright, closed it by 1 with another beautiful red breast. Maybe we can get a better shot of this guy. I'm gonna keep him hooked. Beautiful red breast, little bit of a long. Okay, yep, that's why we kept him hooked. Beautiful tail fin, look at that. Wow. It's got that nice red patch. Looks like he got shot. Alright, let's stop fooling with this guy. Let's let him go back. Sorry, pal. Thanks for indulging me. See you later. Alright. Let's tie it up on this hole, and then we'll leapfrog.
What are you on now, 6?
I'm on 7.
Oh, he's on 7.
I'm on 7 right now. Oh, and there was almost a tying fish right there. Two red breasts, might have been the same one. What time is it? Oh yes!
What do you say, about 10 more minutes? For the challenge anyway?
What time is it?
2:56. So we'll give it till 3:06. Oh, I had a bite, had a big bite. 5 minutes, about 5 minutes to go. With only 5 minutes to go, the spinning rod was down by 1. Unfortunately, the camera died, but I did manage to catch this 9th and tying fish for the challenge. Both of us got 9 fish with each rod. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel. It helps me out immensely and encourages us to perform more challenges like this one. Leave down in the comments if you have a suggestion for another challenge that both Jake and I can do. We'd love to give it a shot. And that's it from me. See you in the next one.